Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Zen system. We will go through the essential steps to build a powerful and efficient machine. First, it is crucial to understand the foundational elements that contribute to optimal performance. Next, we will prepare your workspace and gather all the necessary parts. This methodical approach ensures a smooth and successful build from start to finish. Selecting the right core components is paramount for a balanced system. Begin by choosing a motherboard that perfectly matches your processor's socket and features. For robust performance, consider a processor with 8 or more processing cores. Pair this with at least 16 gigabytes of fast, dual-channel memory to ensure your system handles demanding tasks with ease and efficiency. Now, let's move to the physical assembly. Gently place your processor into its designated socket, ensuring proper alignment to prevent damage. Next, securely install your chosen cooling solution. This is vital for maintaining low operating temperatures and maximizing performance. Finally, connect all power and data cables, double-checking each connection for a stable and reliable build. With the hardware assembled, it is time for software and optimization. Install your operating system onto a high-speed solid-state drive for rapid boot times and responsiveness. Immediately update all system drivers to ensure full compatibility and stability. Finally, fine-tune your system settings to achieve peak performance and excellent energy efficiency, completing your powerful new Zen setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.